Here's a video for how to replace your battery on your SodaStream for your lights. It does nothing but light up the lights. Now if you've already used up the battery, you kind of realize how long you need to press down that big button to make bubbly water. And I can point out now, this is going to be such a waste of your time doing it. So I highly recommend not watching this video, giving me a thumbs up and a like to saving your time. But if you really want to change that battery, keep watching, I'll show you how. You can remove it with a flathead screwdriver and replace it. You can buy most parts in the affiliate links below. This helps me out. If you like bubbly water like me, or this video helped you, hit that subscribe button.